Hi everyone, in this video we will show you the best picture settings for the TCL QM7. First, press the settings button on your TCL QM7 remote and open the picture settings menu. For SDR content such as cable TV, YouTube videos, and most regular streaming content, set the picture mode to movie. This mode provides the most accurate colors and picture quality right out of the box. If you prefer a brighter image for daytime viewing, you can use the vivid picture mode, but keep in mind that it is less accurate than movie mode. Next, go to Advanced Settings and open the Brightness Settings menu. Here, set brightness to 23. This setting controls the backlight intensity, so you can increase or decrease it depending on your room lighting and personal preference. Then set contrast to 100 for maximum dynamic range. Now set black level to 50 to maintain proper shadow detail without crushing dark areas. After that, set gamma to 2.2. This provides a balanced image and works well in a moderately lit room. Next, locate the local contrast setting and set it to high. This enables stronger local dimming performance and improves contrast in dark scenes. Now move to the color menu, set color saturation to 50 and set tint to 50. Then change color temperature to warm. This setting is closest to the industry standard and produces more natural and accurate colors. If you feel the image looks too cool or too warm, color temperature is one of the best settings to adjust according to your preference. Next, open the clarity menu. Set sharpness to 0 for the most natural image and to avoid artificial edge enhancement. For lower resolution content, you can increase sharpness slightly if you prefer a sharper appearance. When watching HDR content, the TV automatically switches to HDR mode. You'll notice a small HDR icon appear next to the picture mode in the quick settings menu. In HDR mode, brightness automatically increases to 100 to deliver the best HDR performance. For HDR content, it's generally recommended to leave most settings at their default values because the TV automatically optimizes them for HDR playback. Also, leave color space set to auto so the TV can automatically select the correct color gamut for the content being displayed. If you're using an external device such as a gaming console, streaming device, or Blu-ray player, make sure the HDMI mode setting is set to auto or HDMI 2.1. The auto setting works well for most devices and ensures proper ADR compatibility. If you experience compatibility issues with older devices, try switching the HDMI mode setting to HDMI 1.4. The TCL QM7 also supports Dolby Vision. When Dolby Vision content starts playing, the TV automatically switches to Dolby Vision mode and adjusts several picture settings. For the best results, leave the Dolby Vision settings at their defaults and avoid copying SDR settings into Dolby Vision mode. Finally, if you ever make changes that reduce picture quality, you can always reset the picture settings back to their default values and start again. With these settings, you'll get accurate colors, excellent contrast, strong HDR performance, and an overall better viewing experience on your TCL QM7. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.